The next hack is how to make your, oh my God. I got it in my eyebrow. Why am I creating a wing with the glue? It looks like I drink like a colored milk. I'm gonna try not to stare at my brows. Hey Dom fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. I am excited to teach you some things today. We're gonna have fun. Welcome. So today I am testing out TikTok makeup hacks that I never thought I actually would ever need in my life, but I need them. First of all, a lot of them were really good. Some of them were a fail for me, like complete fail, but a lot of them were like, wow, I did not know that that could do that, and now I look like this. Anyways, you guys, if you want to check out what these hacks are, they're so easy. You can literally go to your kitchen or your bathroom and have your makeup coming out like a professional makeup artist did your makeup, and it was you the whole time. So crazy. I can't wait to get into this. Because I'm so excited, I'm just gonna jump right in. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into the video. My hair slicked back, I'm ready for these hacks. So for the first hack, it's a brow hack. I have no brow makeup on at all. These are my natural uneven brows, if you couldn't tell. So we're gonna look at the first hack video and then we're gonna try to replicate it. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing that she does is put foundation all over her eyebrow. I am nervous. So we're brushing up our brow hairs. Mine's are really tiny, so it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna brush them up. All right, so beauty blender and some foundation. Taking the beauty blender and foundation, putting it all over my eyebrow. Next, she takes an eyeshadow and an eyeshadow brush and she just swirls it all over her eyebrow. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna take this brown, this is in the Colourpop Becky G palette. This is called Ruka. I'm actually gonna mix some Chula in it because it's a little more ashy and start to work that all over my brow. Here we go. Oh my God, that's gonna be red. What was I thinking? I don't have a good feeling about this at all. Like, it's supposed to work, so let's try it out. Let's give it a chance. Oh Lord. She's taking a makeup wipe. Have a makeup wipe. And we're just gonna wipe this shape. Oh, fudge. I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna shape the brow. You have to have a steady hand for sure. I don't have a steady hand. I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna keep going. Ooh, that dip is way too strong. Bring it down. I feel like it could work if you had like a steadier hand and if you were not me. Okay, so the next step is she's getting a concealer and like cleaning them up. So I'm gonna take the Dominique Cosmetics pigment brush, DS05. So these are my final brows. You know what? If you really wanted to master this, you could. Like if you really wanted to make this eyeshadow brow thing work, you could make it work. What do you guys think? How do you think my brows turned out? Tell me the truth. Okay, now that I look back at this eyebrow, it's actually not that bad. We're gonna move on to the next hack. All right, so for the next hack, it's how to make a sheer foundation into full coverage, like full blown, cover all of your secrets type of foundation. All right, so let's check out this TikTok and see if it actually works. So I'm gonna first get a sheer foundation. I have the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. Love the way that sounds. So here you go. That's a sheer foundation. So now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder and take this guy. I'm gonna put some powder in there. Oof. Maybe let's just use this for this. So this is how it looks now. I don't know if that did anything at all, but we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna put it on this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the translucent setting powder. And let me just take a little bit on this side without anything, just because I want to get a good comparison of what it's supposed to look like without anything. Do you guys see the difference? It's thicker, but it's making a weird clumpiness. Ooh, it oxidizes. This is thick, very, very thick. I feel like I'm putting on a mask right now. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It looks like I have dry flakes all over my face. It's a little bit more coverage than what it was on its own, but now I just have little dry patches all over my face. I don't know if you guys can tell. All the lighting that I have is making my skin look way better than what it actually looks like right now, because there is so, I don't even want to go on because I'm gonna look like a little grandma. A little YouTube grandma just hanging out. I have dry skin. This is just making me look like a crocodile. I gotta take this off. This was a fail for me. If you had oily skin, it may work for you and it may add a little coverage. I'm gonna do my regular makeup and come back. Okay, so this next hack I really prepared for because I was supposed to wash my hair last night, but I didn't because I wanna really see if this works. So it's the dry shampoo hack, and the hack is right here. I'll show you guys while I'm talking about it. So basically, instead of, if you're out of dry shampoo or don't have any, my hair is really oily and dirty. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm shameless, honestly. I'm not embarrassed. I'm supposed to be, but I'm really not. So if you're out of dry shampoo, you would use a loose setting powder. I'm using this one from Urban Decay. It's their Velvetizer. I personally chose this because it's extremely finely milled. And I think that this one would work best, but I'm gonna try it out right now. So I'm gonna take this brush right here and pick up some of the translucent setting powder, and we're gonna see if this helps us out. And just go in like that. I'm washing my hair tonight, you guys. Don't judge me. Or judge me, it's fine. This is the internet, I'm prepared. And we're gonna go on this side. You see the oils? Are the oils dripping on you yet? Does it look better? I don't know. I mean, it's not working miracles. I mean, if you really need to, go ahead and use your setting powder, but try to get a dry shampoo. I don't think this is gonna save you. This next hack is an eyeshadow hack with a spoon. It's supposed to give you the perfect cut crease. I have to look at how to do it again, hold on. We're gonna look at it together. Okay, she's cute. So let's try this out. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous. Is this too big? I'm gonna pick up some eyeshadow and we are gonna just go right along the spoon. Let me show you guys. She just goes straight across. Oh, okay. The end needs some help, but it gave us like a really good look. Kind of more of a lifted look. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's try this side. I feel like this is way too high up. Hold on. It gets the line like perfect. I'm just gonna clean the edges up a little bit. I'm gonna say that this works. I have a really nice even line up there, and that's just a little difficult for most people to create that super perfect line. So I'm gonna go in with the even darker shadow and see how that looks. So I'm gonna take the darker color. Wow, it works. Look at that. This is a good one. You have to try this. I'd say this works. My next hack is from my fellow YouTuber friend, Manny MUA, and we are gonna watch his video and see how to get this flawless cut crease. So he is saying that if your cut crease is not even or sharp, here's an easy and quick tip. Take a glitter liner. He actually used this one right here from Urban Decay, the heavy metal glitter. I am taking Midnight Cowboy. So I'm gonna place this right between the crease and the lid. My lids are weird and have a lot of folds in them. Hopefully it works. But honestly, this definitely works depending on how hooded your eyes are. Totally works. It will help clean up any kind of mess up right there in the crease. But after doing the spoon trick, I really don't need this trick. But I thought it would be cool to share with you guys because when I don't have a spoon, I would definitely need this. I'm gonna finish my eye makeup and go to my nose contour hack that I've never ever tried in my life, and I'm really excited to try it. Okay, I was gonna finish the rest of my makeup, then I realized that I have another hack. The perfect cat wing eyeliner hack with floss. This is how dedicated I am. I went to Walgreens and picked these up. I don't like using these. I like using the long floss so I can like get in there, but this is just for you. Just for my YouTube Dom fam. So I picked up some of these guys. And while I try to open this bag, I will let you guys check out the hack. I actually opened it pretty easy.
Hey you guys, it's hack time. You will need a flosser and eyeliner. We are going to coat it. See all that eyeliner out of the eye. Pee out the top. Trace. Winged eyeliner.
All right, so I have my flosser right here. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on the flosser. Oh my god, that's a lot. Here we go. I hope it doesn't mess up everything that we have done. I'm nervous. So we're gonna do Oh, mine's is bent a little bit, so it kind of curved upwards. Let me do this one, see what happens. Okay, they're gonna be different. This is really thick. Doesn't really show anything. Hold on. Let's do this again. Now it's gonna work. This is bad. Okay, let's just keep going. How is this one like way out here? Oh my God. Okay, let's try to fill it in and see what happens. I mean, at least we have like an outline that's kind of messed up. Let's just fill it in and make it better. I mean, I made that work for me. Let's just see if the other side, if we can fix it. The other side looks totally different. This is a different type of wing, but we are gonna make it work. All right, so we ended up making this work, but I'm gonna say that's a fail for me. That did not work for me, sorry. Next hack. The next hack is brushing on lash glue. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video and we'll get right back to it. All right, so I have my lash glue right here. I'm gonna pour some out. We'll pour some onto this thing. And then I'm gonna take my brush. This is a blade brush from Dominique Cosmetics. It's called the DS01. I'm gonna take some on the DS01. I'm gonna brush it onto my eyeliner. It seems kind of genius, but it also seems kind of messy. It's kind of nice that it won't like get anywhere else though. The next hack is if you have these plastic looking lashes like this, they don't have anything going on, they're just kind of like stiff. So what they're saying to do is to get a spoolie and just brush them back and forth like that. And they will get fluffier and they won't look as plasticky and they'll look more natural and real. You guys ready for this? So this is the original one right here. And this is the new one. So it does work, does something. I don't know if I want to put this on my eye though. Let's just try it. Ooh, I think I put it too high. But it applied really, really fast and easy and it didn't slide anywhere. So that's kind of genius. I'm gonna say that the brushing on the lash glue is definitely, you have to try it. Like this definitely works. Now, if it gets on your actual lash, I don't know if it's gonna rip it out or not. I haven't got there yet. This actually, I think will help the inner corner problem from lifting up because it's only in that spot. The lash could only go there. So it won't slide around. I'm gonna take my new and improved fluffy lash-ish. All right, let's put this on. Both of those worked, just depends on how much time you're gonna fluff up the lash, but I think both of those work. The brush on glue is A+. All right, so this next hack is a reverse contour. So instead of my typical contour down the nose on the sides using brown contour, we are using the opposite in this video. So let's check the video out and then try to achieve it.
Triangle sponge with baking powder on, draw a line down the side of the nose, take a warm blusher and drag down the center. Dust and blend. Add 2 spots of highlight. Add bronzer here, and voila.
Okay, so she takes a setting powder and a beauty sponge. So we're gonna go straight on the sides like that. I guess where we want our nose to be snatched. I'll bring it up a little bit more. My nose is gonna be even more crooked after this. And then blush, like a warm blush, down the center. So I'm gonna take this peach blush right here, brush it down the center. I look like I stayed out in the sun way too long at the pool and that looks scary. I don't even see how this would look slightly okay. But let's keep going. Dust off the powder. Add 2 spots of highlight. Putting it a spot right here and a spot right here. Take this Huda bronzer and add a little bit at the tip of the nose. I don't like it at all. I think this is a fail for me. This is a big fail for me. But you guys can try it if you want. Let's move on. Okay, so this one is a lip contouring hack. And I've seen this all over TikTok, so I wanna try it out. So let me grab my nude lip liner. So here we go. How to make your lips look bigger.
Overline the top of your lip called the Cupid's bow and follow your natural line down to the corners and overline the bottom center of your bottom lip and follow that up to color to the center and boom.
Ooh, luscious. I actually think it really does work. Does it look crazy though? Do you think it looks natural? I'm giving myself like Bratz doll lip vibes. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna keep it. I think I like it. So that is an approved hack. That definitely worked. Our next hack is super easy. It's for the blush. It's applying a lip gloss to your cheeks as blush.
Use your lip glosses as a blush. They make the best cream blushes, especially if you use neutrals or pinks. Apply that to the apples of the cheeks, and then I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend that in, and it's gonna give a beautiful dewy finish. It's that easy, and I hope you guys give this a try out.
So I have this gloss right here. It's supposed to give you like a dewy look. Ooh, strawberry lemonade is the most beautiful natural color. I'm gonna take it there. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's my favorite everyday lip color. This is so beautiful. It's like very sheer. You can kind of build it up, but it's supposed to be like more sheer. Work it in, and this is supposed to be a natural, glowy, soft, pinky blush. This is a good hack too. I just feel like I would have used maybe a stronger color. I would even put it here. Like this. I like this hack. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I do. So that is the end of my hacks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I found some really amazing hacks actually. I really found a lot of these useful, and I personally think I'm gonna start using the brush on the lash glue, and I'm gonna try out for pictures this lip. I think it looks pretty cool. At the end of all of this, I'm gonna go back to my brows and say that this actually worked because I left them on and I'm not mad at them. I'm indecisive, but I definitely think that this can be perfected, this brow hack. I like it. I actually love how I look right now, so thanks to TikTok for all these cool hacks. Thanks to everybody who made these TikTok videos. They were so helpful. These are the hacks we didn't know we needed in our life. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys learned a lot today. I know there's hacks that you're like, what? I need to start doing this. Let me know what your favorite hack was down below. If you missed these two videos over here, make sure to check them out. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun. And before I let you go, I want to remind you not to be afraid to try new things. You never know what you might find. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.